Hi guys, so I wanted to chit chat with you guys. I also want to talk about my channel and stuff. As you guys know, I'm part of the bald head squad now. I absolutely love my short hair. I've always loved short hair on me. I've always loved how I look, and every time my hair gets about shoulder length, my fingers start itching, my body start itching, and I feel like I have to cut it. Okay, and that's why I've been cutting I've been natural for 6 years. Exactly 6 years I've been natural for, and almost every other year I trim my hair, cut my hair. I had a tapered cut, I have a really short bald head cut like this, but I had a little bit more hair. Now my hair is short again, baldy. Okay, my hair was literally to my skull. Okay, now it's growing back. But as far as hair is concerned, I wanted to do my hair really quick and also talk about my channel really quick on here, and my content. So I should have wet my hair, but we're gonna bypass that. I started making actually hair and makeup videos here on YouTube. That was what I was passionate about. That was what I was excited about at the time. I'm going in with the Camilla Rose leave-in conditioner. This smells amazing. It's worth every penny. It's moisturizing, it's everything, and it's made by a Jamaican. Okay, I'm trying to switch out a lot of my natural hair products to black-owned business products, hair products that are created by black people, for black people. Then I'm using the Cantu coconut curling cream. Just rub that in. Like I was saying, I started making beauty content, then I started switching over to commentary, then I was mixing both of them up, and I think I'm gonna go back to mixing up my content. I miss my female viewers that used to come on my videos and say, Brains, give me a tutorial for the eyeshadow look there. Brains, give me a tutorial for the makeup look there. Give me a review on this, a review on that. And I miss that. I really love and enjoy making those type of content here, makeup videos, and I'm gonna mix it back up because I realize that 50% of my audience are male and 50% of my audience is female, and I feel like I need to cater more towards my female audience more than anything else, because I feel like the male get a lot of commentary videos. I'm just gonna go in with my magic twist and just let's see if I can zoom you guys in. No, that was not good. I'm just going in circular motions. And I feel like the male get a lot of commentary because I try to upload at least one commentary video every day, unless I'm on a break or something, and I was on a break recently. So yeah, I want to start uploading makeup and hair videos and tutorials and reviews and stuff, and I hope the men on my comment section and that watches my video understand. It's also great for me if I'm doing sponsorship content. I'm not a makeup guru, I'm not a hair guru, so it's gonna be very relatable. It's very everyday, regular girl friendly, even though I used to be a makeup artist and I know a lot of tips and tricks and stuff. So, but I haven't been a makeup artist in God knows how long. So I'm just a regular girl doing regular videos, trying to help out my woman stay fly. Okay, help out my mamas, making sure they're looking good and all that stuff. So if you see changes in my channel, that is why. And sometimes I just tired of the heap of stuff that's going on in the world and I need escape, and I like when people are able to come on my channel and escape from their daily lives, get some motivation, get some information, and also learn how to keep themselves together, put themselves together, and all that. So that is how my hair looks. You guys like it? Looks bomb, don't it? And if I want my hair to stay like this, I'll use a foam. I don't really use gel like that in my hair, but I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm not gonna waste my foam. And this is the Bomb Collection Fuse Foam, and this is actually made by an African American for African Americans. So all them other foam that want to use, go buy this. It's worth the money, okay? It's bomb. And all I used was, I don't even remember what they call this, but this is what I use. So that is my bald head tutorial for you guys. Bald gang, okay? Baldy. Take a picture. A woman loves her bald head, okay? That is my quick hair tutorial, and hope you guys enjoy and is excited about future content, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.